In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to increase form responses with GetFormly. First, open GetFormly and sign in to your account. Once you're on the dashboard, open the form you want to use for collecting responses. Before sharing anything, make sure the form is actually published. If it isn't live yet, click Publish. This part is important because people need to use the published version of your form in order to submit real responses. The preview version is only for testing the layout and experience, and it won't collect actual results. Next, open the Share panel and click Copy Link to grab the published form URL. This is the link you'll send to respondents. You can share it through email, social media, messaging apps, or anywhere else your audience is most likely to engage with it. If you'd rather place the form directly on your website, you can also use the embed option instead. And quickly, if you want to create your own forms and start collecting responses with ease, you can try GetFormly using the affiliate link in the description. Now open that copied form link in a separate browser tab so you can see exactly what your respondents will see. Fill out the form using sample information, then click Submit. After sending it, head back to the Formly dashboard, reopen the same form, and click on the Results tab. This is where your collected submissions appear, and you should now be able to see the response you just sent. To review a single submission more closely, select one of the responses and open it. This lets you view the complete set of answers in a clear format. If the option is available in your account, you can also download that individual response as a PDF for record keeping or sharing. If you need to work with multiple submissions, stay in the results section, select the responses you want, and click the download icon. Formly may offer export options like CSV or Excel, HTML, and PDF. Download the file and open it so you can confirm everything exported correctly. You can also automate organization by opening the Forms Connect section and choosing Google Sheets. From there, connect the appropriate Google account, then choose whether to create a new spreadsheet or send responses to an existing one. This makes it much easier to organize and share submissions. After that, go into Settings and find Email Notifications. Enable notifications for new submissions if you want alerts sent to you or your team. Keep in mind this feature is currently available on paid plans. To share responses with your team, you can let them access the results through your account or workspace, or share the connected Google Sheet. Notifications can also help keep everyone updated. Finally, return to results to manage submissions individually, including downloading or deleting them. Then test the full process one more time by submitting another response through the publish form, refreshing results if needed, and confirming that the new entry appears there and in any connected tools. If you want to build your own forms and start collecting responses, check out GetFormly through the affiliate link in the description.